I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Siyempre, hindi nga nagpauli ito ang ating Donnie Pangilinan. Nagbigay nga rin ito ng mensahe para sa kanyang think na talaga namang kinilig ang maraming bablis dito. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video, sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
Working with Belle for so long, I really can see how much she's changed, how much she's grown as a person, as a woman, as an actress. When I first worked with her, magaling na siya na artista eh. Sobrang galing na niya. But she never stops looking for opportunities for growth. I just want to say congratulations on the contract signing. This is long overdue and very much well deserved. I am so proud of you. I can't wait to see all the projects that you're about to do and how much more you will show the world what you can do. Keep believing in yourself, keep the passion, keep the faith, and nandito lang ako.
Dahil ang mensahe nga ng ating Donnie Pangilinan ay napaka-special talaga para sa ating mga bula. Kaya naman talagang himlay malalanga rito. At sobrang proud nga ang kanyang nato para sa kanyang think. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update kila Donnie at Belle sa mga susunod pa na ayuda.